you know the cordless drill is one of the most ingenious tools ever invented? A cordless drill is one of the most versatile power tools ever made, converting electrical energy from a rechargeable battery into mechanical torque for drilling and screw driving. At the front is the chuck, a self-centering, hand-tightened clamp that holds the drill bit securely. Behind it is the clutch collar, which lets you set torque levels to prevent overdriving screws, and a gear switch that toggles between low speed, high torque, and high speed, low torque modes. Power comes from a lithium-ion battery, usually rated between 12V and 20V, with multiple 18, 16, 50 cells.
If you like this video, please subscribe.
Do you